Welcome to video class. My name is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry, working in Government Degree College for Women, Vanaparthi. We are going to discuss alcohols. This chapter useful for BSc second year, third sem students. So, an alcohol contains one or more hydroxyl groups directly attached to carbon atoms. Hydroxyl group means OH groups. So, of an aliphatic system, while phenol contains OH groups directly attached to carbon atoms of an aromatic system. So, hydroxyl group attached with the aliphatic system, those compounds are called as alcohols. We are discussed will be later about phenols. So, hydroxy compounds may be classified as mono, di, tri or polyhedric compounds depending on whether they contain 1, 2, 3 or many hydroxyl groups respectively. See here examples for monohydric C2H5OH, dihydric 2 OH groups are present. These are the trihydric compound. So here 3 hydroxy groups are present. Here 2 hydroxy groups are present. Here 1 hydroxy group is present. This is a monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. So monohydric alcohols may be further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols or hydroxy compounds. So primary means hydroxyl group attached with the primary carbon, that is a CH2 carbon, that is called as the primary alcohol or primary hydroxy compound. So whereas OH group attached with the secondary carbon, those compounds are called secondary. So OH group attached with the tertiary carbon, those compounds are tertiary hydroxy compounds or tertiary alcohols. So in monohydroxy compounds, we can take the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. These OH groups are attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon. So whereas OH group attached with sp2 hybridized carbon, those compound is called as the vinylic carbon. So the alcohol name is vinylic alcohol or vinyl alcohol. So vinyl alcohol example is CH2 double bond CHOH. In this compound, OH attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon. So CH2 double bond CH group is called as the vinylic group. That group attached with the OH group, those alcohols are called vinylic alcohols. Vinylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. So CH2 double bond CH CH2 is allylic group. That allylic group attached with OH hydroxyl group. That compound is called as the allylic alcohol. So the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon next to the carbon-carbon double bond. That is to an allylic carbon. So allylic carbon attached with hydroxyl group, those alcohols are called allylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. So the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. So compounds having aromatic group, that aromatic group attached with CH2, that CH2 group attached with OH. The compound is called as the benzylic alcohol. So OH group attached with benzylic carbon, those compounds are called benzylic alcohols. This is the primary benzylic alcohol. This is secondary benzylic alcohol. This is the tertiary benzylic alcohol. So nomenclature of hydroxy compounds. We can give the name of hydroxy compounds. One is alcohol, alcoholic name. Another one is the IUPAC name. The common name of an alcohol is derived from the common name of the alkyl group and adding the word alcohol to it. For example, CH3OH is methyl alcohol. C2H5OH is ethyl alcohol. So the common name of an alcohol is derived from the common name of the alkyl group and adding the word alcohol to it. So CH3OH is common name methyl alcohol. C2H5OH is common name ethyl alcohol. So what is the IUPAC nomenclature of hydroxy compounds? The name of an alcohol is derived from the name of the alkane, from which the alcohol is derived by substituting small e of alkane with the suffix ol. So we can give the IUPAC name instead of small e in alkane. So we can add the suffix ol. So in alcohol, suffix is ol according to IUPAC system. The position of substituents are indicated by numerals. For this, the longest carbon chain, that means parent chain, is numbered starting at the end nearest to the hydroxyl group. The position of OH group and other substituents are indicated by using the number of carbon atoms to which these are attached. For naming of polyhedric alcohols, the E of alkene is retained and the ending ol is added. The number of OH group is indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix. Those are di, tri, etc. before ol. The position of OH group are indicated by appropriative locates. Example, the compound having 2 CH2 groups and 2 OH groups. The name of this compound is 2 OH groups are present, OH for ol suffix. So two hydroxy groups are present, 1 2 carbons. So that's why 1 comma 2 diol. The parent name is ethane. That's why ethane 1 comma 2 diol. See here, common and IUPAC names of alcohols, CH3OH. So the parent chain having only one carbon. So the hydrocarbon name is methane. So that's why in methane, instead of E, you can add the ol suffix methanol. You can get the IUPAC name of this compound. So common name, this is the methyl, this is the OH group is called alcohol, methyl alcohol. Whereas 3 carbons are present in alcohol, so N-propyl alcohol. So this is 1 propanol or propane 1 mole. Similarly, OH group presented second carbon of propane chain. So this is a common name of this compound, isopropyl alcohol. Whereas second carbon attached to the OH group, so that's why IUPAC name of this compound, propane 2-ol or 2-propanol. So propane 2-ol or 2-propanol. Whereas see here, next example, 4 carbons attached with the OH group. So this is a normal chain. So normal butyl alcohol. The OH group presented to first carbon. So parent name of this chain is butane. Hydroxy group presented to first carbon. So that's why butane 1 mole or 1 butanol. So this is the tertiary butyl group. So tertiary butyl carbon attached with OH group. That's why tertiary butyl alcohol. So the name of IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So second carbon OH group and CSL group is present. That's why the name of this compound is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So whereas see here, 3 carbons and 3 OH groups are present. This is the name of compound is glycerol. So 3 carbons parent name is propane. 3 OH groups are present. 1, 2, 3 carbons. That's why 1, 2, triol. The total name of this compound is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. You can give the cyclic alcohols name using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to first carbon. So cyclohexanol, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, 2-methyl cyclopentanol. How to prepare the alcohols? What are the methods for preparation of alcohols? From alkenes, how to prepare from alkenes? So alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst to form alcohols. In case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the addition reaction takes place in accordance with the Markovnikov rule. So unsymmetrical alkenes undergoing addition with water in the presence of catalyst according to Markovnikov rule. You can get the alcohols. So see here, This is the alkene C double bond C. Addition with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst, you can get the alcohol. This is the unsymmetrical alkene propene. Addition with water, you can get the 2-propanol or propane 2-ol according to Markovnikov rule. See here mechanism of this reaction. 3 steps are possible in this mechanism. In first step, protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O+. You can get the carbocation. In second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. This is water as a nucleophile attack at carbocation. Third step, deprotonation to form an alcohol. Deprotonation takes place, you can get the alcohol. This is the mechanism of the addition of water to alkene. You can prepare the alcohols from this method. So unsymmetrical alkenes, always addition with water according to Markovnikov rule. So next, hydroboration. This is called as the oxidation reaction. Diborane B2H6. This is the dimer of boron hydride. Reacts with the alkenes to give trialkyl boranes as addition product. This is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. The addition of borane to the double bond takes place in such a manner that the boron atom gets attached to the sp2 carbon carrying greater number of hydrogen atoms. The alcohol so formed looks as if it has been formed by the addition of water to the alkene in a way opposite to the Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, alcohol is obtaining in excellent yield. So this is the addition reaction. This is the addition with opposite to the Markovnikov rule product. See here, this is the alkene, asymmetrical alkene. So addition with boron hydride followed by hydrolysis reaction takes place. You can get the alcohols. This is addition anti to Markovnikov rule, opposite to Markovnikov rule. So from carbonyl compounds, carbonyl compounds means aldehydes and ketones are reduced to the corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. So catalytic hydrogenation takes place. You can prepare the alcohols. The usual catalyst is finely divided metal such as platinum, palladium, nickel. It is also prepared by treating aldehydes and ketones with sodium borohydride, NaBH4, or lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. So carbonyl compounds undergoing reduction in the presence of metal catalyst are NaBH4 or lithium aluminum hydride. Aldehydes yield primary alcohols, whereas ketone gives secondary alcohol. So in this hydration reaction or reduction reaction of aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes yield primary alcohol, ketone gives secondary alcohol. So reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. Carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohols in excellent yields by lithium aluminum hydride. See here, this is the aldehyde. Reduction reaction takes place in the presence of metal catalyst like palladium. So you can get the primary alcohol. You can take the ketone. So ketone undergoing a reduction reaction takes place in the presence of sodium borohydride. So you can get the secondary alcohol. You can take the carboxylic acids, COOH group, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids undergoing reduction reaction takes place, gives primary alcohol. So carboxylic acids reaction with the alcohols converted into esters. These esters undergoing reduction reaction takes place, gives alcohols. So a reduction of aldehydes, reduction of ketones, reduction of carboxylic acids, reduction of esters, you can get the alcohols. You can take the acetaldehyde, you can get the ethyl alcohol. Acetone, 2-propanol or isopropyl alcohol. Acetic acid, you can get the ethyl alcohol. You can take the acetic acid in the reduction reaction, you can get the ethyl alcohol. Here, you can take the acetic acid, reacts with the methyl alcohol. The ester is methyl acetate. This methyl acetate undergoing reduction reaction takes place. Two types of alcohols are formed. One is ethyl alcohol, another one is methyl alcohol. One is ethyl alcohol, another one is methyl alcohol. So this is the important reaction from Grignard reagents. So alcohols are produced by the reaction of Grignard reagent with the aldehydes and the ketones. In this, the first step of reaction is the nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to the carbonyl group to form an adduct. After that, hydrolysis of the adduct yields an alcohol. So, important method of preparation, one of the Grignard reagent. Alcohols are produced by the reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehydes and ketones. The first step of the reaction is the nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to the carbonyl group to form an adduct. This adduct undergoing hydrolysis yields an alcohol. See reaction here. This is the carbonyl carbon undergoing nucleophilic addition with the Grignard reagent. You can get the adduct. After hydrolysis reaction, alcohol is formed. In this, you can take the formaldehyde addition with the Grignard reagent. You can get the primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, all aldehydes undergoing addition with the Grignard reagent gives secondary alcohols. Whereas ketones addition with the Grignard reagent gives tertiary alcohols. We can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols from this reaction. So this is the formaldehyde, this is a methyl magnesium bromide. The primary alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Primary ethyl alcohol. So, or you can take the R is methyl. You can get the ethyl alcohol. Whereas in aldehyde, R group is taken methyl group. Grignard reagent also R group is taken methyl group. Two methyl groups are present in alcohol. The alcohol name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. In this, you can take the ketone. Two R groups are methyl groups. In magnesium, in Grignard reagent also R group is methyl. Three methyl groups are attached to this carbon. You can get the tertiary butyl alcohol or 2-methyl 2-propanol. So from Grignard reagent, you can prepare the alcohols with the addition of nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to the carbonyl group. You can get the adduct. Hydrolysis of the adduct gives an alcohol. So in this reaction, formaldehyde, from formaldehyde, you can get the primary alcohol. From other aldehydes, you can get the secondary alcohols. Ketones gives the tertiary alcohols. So here see the preparation methods of alcohols. From alkenes, alkenes reacts with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst to form alcohols. In case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the addition reaction takes place in according to the Markovnikov's rule. So alkene addition with water, you can get the alcohol. This is a unsymmetrical alkene. Addition with water, you can get the 2-propanol, not 1-propanol. According to Markovnikov rule, propene addition with water gives 2-propanol. According to Markovnikov rule. So this mechanism divided into 3 steps. First step, protonation takes place. Second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Third step, deprotonation to form an alcohol. So this is the mechanism of the addition of unsymmetrical alkenes to water. So diborane addition with reaction with the diborane. Diborane B2H6. This is the hydride of boron hydride. This is the hydride of boron hydride. Dimer of boron hydride reacts with the alkenes to give trialkyl boranes as addition product. This is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. The addition of borane to the double bond takes place in such a manner that the boron atoms gets attached to the sp2 carbon carrying greater number of hydrogen atoms. The alcohol so formed looks as if has been formed by the addition of water to the alkene in a way opposite to the Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, alcohol is obtained in excellent yield. So you can take the propene. This is the unsymmetrical alkene. Addition with BH3 can get the addition product. After that, hydrolysis takes place. The product is anti-Markovnikov of addition product, that is the 1-propanol. From carbonyl compounds, you can prepare the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. You can prepare the alcohols from reduction of aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids and esters. Reduction of esters, reduction of carboxylic acids, reduction of carbonyl compounds gives alcohols. So carbonyl compounds nothing but aldehydes and ketones are reduced to the corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. The hydrogenation reaction is called as the catalytic hydrogenation. The usual catalyst is platinum, palladium or nickel, sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride. So by reduction of carboxylic acids and esters also gives us alcohols. So see here, aldehyde reduction reaction takes place. You can get the alcohol, primary alcohol. Aldehydes gives on reduction reaction in the presence of metal catalyst gives primary alcohol, whereas the ketones gives secondary alcohols. Carboxylic acids gives primary alcohols in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So we can prepare the esters from carboxylic acids. This is the esterification reaction. Carboxylic acid reacts with alcohols. We can get the esters. Esters undergoing reduction reaction takes place, gives alcohols. From Grignard reagent, alcohols are produced by the reaction of Grignard reagent with the aldehydes and ketones. The first step of the reaction is the nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to the carbonyl group to form an adduct. The adduct undergoing hydrolysis gives yield of an alcohol. See here, this is a carbonyl carbon. Addition with the Grignard reagent, adduct is formed. This adduct undergoing hydrolysis, we can get the alcohol. This is the important reaction. You can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols from this reaction. Formaldehyde addition with the Grignard reagent gives primary alcohol. So other aldehydes except formaldehyde, addition with the Grignard reagent gives a secondary alcohol. Ketones, addition with the Grignard reagent gives tertiary alcohols. So you can take the formaldehyde plus methyl magnesium bromide. The alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Here is you can take the acetaldehyde plus methyl magnesium bromide. The alcohol is isopropyl alcohol or 2-propanol, propane 2-ol. Whereas acetone, 2 R groups are methyl groups. Here methyl magnesium bromide. You can get the tertiary butyl alcohol, 2-methyl 2-propanol. So thank you.